Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show DTS sound settings or how to enable or disable on Infinix GT20 Pro. Before starting this video, please subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.